Can you jump?
Tell Daddy, yeah, I can jump.
Jump for me.
Yeah.
Yay! Jump.
Dance. Dance, baby. Can I get up and dance with her?
Yeah. Can you dump? Jump.
Can you take a dump? What do you got in your mouth? Let me have it. What you got in your mouth? Now, Mommy, have it. Spit it out. Spit it out.
Jump.
It better be a Cheerio. I hope it is. I hear it crunching.
Jump. There it is.
Do it again.
Where's Brayley? Hey, where's Brayley?
Woohoo! You're too busy jumping, Daddy.
Where's Brayley?
I see a dapper.
Where's your ear?
Right there. Where's your earring?
Where's your
Right there.
Where's your nose? There it is. Where's your eyes? There they are. Where's your mouth? Where's Brayley?
Where's the pretty girl? Where's the pretty girl? Right there.
Where's Mama? Where's Dada? Where's Dada?
Right there. Say right there. Count.
Do you love Dada?
Say 1, 2,
2,
3. Why do you keep playing with your diaper?
I put it on wrong, probably. Do you love Dada? Hey. Do you love Dada? Try. Brayley. Where you headed? Can you dance? You love Dada? Can you dance? Yeah, she goes. Woohoo! Where's your belly button? Where's your belly button? There it is! There it is! Can you jump and dance? Where's Brayley? What?
Don't show your belly again. Ooh-wee, I see your butt. I see your butt. Don't pull your diaper off.
Jump. Can you jump? Showing out now. Dance. Dance for Dada.
Has it been recording this whole time? Can you show him? Oh, he got your butt.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, Dad.
Say uh-oh. I don't know how he. I said stop. I thought No, no. No, Brandon.
Well, we can't show that home video to anybody now.
Whoop. Do you love Dada? Oh. What are you doing? You sitting in the lap? Huh? Can you get up and go dance for Dada? Look at the camera. Where's the camera? Dance for Dada. There she go. That was. Brayley, go dance. Go dance. Say hey. Say 1, 2. Hey. Say look at. Hey. Say 1, 2. Ooh. How's a puppy go? That's
a monkey.
How's a monkey go? Show me how the monkey goes. Hey, how's a monkey go? How's a puppy go? Hey, how's a puppy go? No, the puppy.
What's a puppy do? Woof, woof, woof.
Say, how's a goat go? Say, bah. Yeah, a bug. How's Bella? Give Bella a whooping. She got in the diapers. Say no, Bella.
Did you get into the diapers?
Hey, how's the goat go? Say,
Did you get into
say,
the diapers? Should I spank you right now? Should I spank you right now? You're shaking.
hey, Brady.
Don't slap the puppy. No, ma'am. Do not do that.
Hey,
You can slap the
Brady.
I don't care.
How does the goat go?
Oh.
How's a monkey go? No, how's a monk? Go out there and show me how the monkey goes. You climbing like a monkey. Hey, go show me how the monkey goes. Huh? Hey, how's a monkey go? Huh? Riley. How's a monkey go? What are you doing? Huh? Lay down on the pillow. Go nyat nyat. Oh, your baby. Oh, you taking it with you. Oh. Oh, nyat nyat. Go nyat nyat on the pillow. Go nyat nyat. Oh, your baby. Hmm? Hmm? You going nyat nyat? Oh. Uh-oh. Hey.
You gotta stop spanking me in the butt.
Oh, she's sleepy. Hey, where's your bracelet? Where's your bracelet? Show me your bracelet. Where's it at? Where's your bracelet? There it is. Hey, Riley, where's your ear? There it is. Where's your nose? Mouth? Eye? Belly button? Where's your belly button? Where's it at? There it is. How's the goat go? She's getting sleepy.
You ready to go read a book, baby?
You go night night? Go night night.
You wanna go read the book? You wanna go read the monkeys? You wanna go read the monkeys? Yeah. Let's go read the monkeys. Come on. Here, you wanna get it? Come get the book. Come get the book. Carry it for mommy. Let's go get the monkeys. Let's go read the monkeys. The end.